So hello friends, welcome to our channel. If you guys facing access temporary block problem in your Gcache, the Gcache shows access temporary blocked. So why this problem is coming and what is the solution of this problem? In this video I am showing you. So watch this video till end. If you guys are having the same problem, do like this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos like that. So if the access temporary blocked are showing in your Gcache, so what you have to do? So, firstly, you have to go to the home screen of your phone. After going back to your home screen of your phone, you have to open the settings of your phone. After opening the settings of your phone, you have to scroll down and select the apps option here. Yes, guys, you have to select the apps option in your phone settings. After opening the apps option, the installed apps list will be shown. Now you have to check if there is any suspicious or third party app in your device, so you have to remove it from your device or uninstall it. After this, you have to search for Gcache in your settings. Yes guys, you have to search for Gcache app in your settings and then click on it. After this, select the storage and cache or storage usage button. After this, you have to clear the cache and then select clear storage button and press the OK. After the Gcache app will be refreshed and then you have to press the home button, and after this open the Play Store of your phone. When you're opening the Play Store, you have to click on the search button, and then after clicking on the search button you have to select the search bar of Play Store and now search for Gcache here. When you're searching for the Gcache app in your Play Store, the Gcache app will be shown in your Play Store and you have to click on the Gcache app. After you click on the Gcache app, select the uninstall button. Yes guys, you have to select the uninstall button here and press the OK. So the Gcache app will be uninstalled and then press on the install button. After clicking on the install button, the Gcache app will be reinstalled in your device. And wait for some time. When the Gcache app will be reinstalled in your device and the open button will be shown in your Play Store, so it means the Gcache app will be installed in your phone, and then go to the home screen and open your Gcache app. I hope guys this will solve your problem. So do like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.